Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a arc twirl pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So firstly we'll import matplotlib. So, NumPy is used for numerical operations like generating a range of values for the angles and radius, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting and visualizing the pattern. And now we'll define parameters for the arc twirl effect. So here theta creates a range of 1000 values between 0 and 6 into np.pi approximately, which is 18.85. This is the angle parameter used to generate the spiral, and r is the radius at each angle theta which is calculated. So the formula 1 plus 0.2 into np.sin 5 into theta introduces oscillations to the radius as theta increases, which creates a twirling effect. So now we'll convert polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. So here x and y both convert the polar coordinates r theta into Cartesian coordinates x and y using the formulas x is equals to r into cos theta and y is equals to r into sin theta. These are the coordinates needed to plot the spiral pattern on a 2D graph. And now we'll create the plot. So here plt.figure fig size 7 by 7. This creates a new figure with a square aspect ratio of 7 into 7 inches, and plt.plot, this plots the spiral defined by the x and y values with a teal color and a line width of 2. This creates the main spiral pattern. And now we'll add arcs with variation. So here a loop that generates 5 additional arc patterns, each with a different radius and a number of points where arc theta is. For each arc theta is a range of angles from 0 to 2 into np dot pi by I with 300 points. So here it defines how much of a full circle the arc will cover. And here arc r, the radius for each arc starts at 0.8 and increase by 0.1 into I in each iteration. This creates expanding arcs with each loop iteration. So here arc x and arc y, these calculate the x and y Cartesian coordinates for each arcs. So here plt.plot arc x, arc y. Here this plots the arcs using the dark color with a line width of 1.5 and transparency alpha 0.6 to give them a subtle appearance, allowing the main spiral to remain prominent. So here plt.gca, this sets the aspect ratio to equal, meaning the units of the x ratio is equal, so and are equally spaced and scaled, and this ensures that the arcs and spiral remain circular rather than stretched. And plt.axis off turns off the axis lines and labels for a clean look. And plt.title, this adds a suitable title to this pattern. And plt.show at last displays the final plot with all the arcs and spiral patterns. So here we can see an arc twirl pattern. So thanks for watching this video.